This is my 2000 Volvo V70 R, and this thing is not just your regular Volvo. It's a turbo inline 5, and well, this is quite the opposite in what you see in most V70Rs these days. A lot of people slam them, but this one, no. This is lifted and built to handle anything. But I've got a huge problem. In less than 24 hours, this car is gonna be in one of the craziest car shows on the West, the Sun Valley Tour de Force. This is home to some of the craziest cars in the West, and my car is going. But you see, this thing has been neglected. Water spots, scratch marks, and fading trim and rusting body parts. What? So in today's video, before we even get to the Sun Valley Tour de Force, we're gonna be fixing this. I do wanna just say first off, the spray that I was gonna remove the water spots with and the spray that I was gonna remove the scratches with did not show up today. And it's the night before the event. What are you gonna do about it? Let's start off with painting. Before we even get to painting, we gotta tape this puppy. Now we can start painting. I don't know if I have any rhyme or reason. We have a huge problem. Where I live right now, there is currently a gigantic storm. Which means I can't paint for the rest of the night because this car is in here. But here's what we got cooking up so far. We've got this painted, right? Everything looks pretty solid. That end doesn't have coats, and this stuff looks heavy, which means we need to brush over it. Like what I did with this side right as I stopped filming. This looks smooth, and then it gets like choppy up there. So what I think I'm gonna do is let the storm pass, but I'm gonna tape this up tonight. In the meantime, I would love to replace that little piece of stuff. Okay, so I want to give a little update. The car got worked on last night, but a huge storm came through where I live, and like power went out, trees were falling, and so still got it painted this morning. I just did a quick little speed run type deal. But yeah, I will see you once I'm in the Dakar for the Huckleberry Drive, and then after the Huckleberry Drive, we're gonna get back into my car for the car show. So yeah, I'll see you guys all then. So we just got to the Tour de Force. We're in the Dakar. We've got some pretty crazy cars in the lineup today. So we're gonna take a quick walk down the line, and we'll get a good look at everything that's here today. Alrighty, so I wanted to give you all a little bit of an update. We're gonna get to the car show. It's extremely hot out, so hopefully nothing bad happens with the cars, but we shall see. We made it to the car show. Everything looks absolutely fantastic. I mean, we've got some amazing people around here. Pink truck's back on top. Let's go take a look and see what else we can find at the car show. We got the Volvo lined up next to a Dakar, another Porsche, and a Dakar on the other side of that Porsche. I mean, this is the true off-road lineup right here, folks. It does not get better than this. I mean, there are so many cars here right now, but it does not compare to this Volvo. I mean, just look at the wheels on this Dakar. They don't compare to the Volvo. The Volvo, honestly, the brake calipers are smaller on the Volvo, but not by much. And fun fact of the day, the front calipers on the Volvo are Porsche brakes. They're older Porsche brakes, but they still work. Next up, we have a straight pipe GT3 RS, and this thing is mean. Play the clip. I apologize, not a lot of this was being filmed, but thank you so much for watching this video. If you're not already subscribing, please do, because we're about to blow up.